back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of a mystery box. This is a mystery box from Roccabox, which are a beauty subscription box service. They did release a mystery box over the Easter period and it is called the Eggcellent mystery box. This box did cost £5 plus £3.95 shipping, so £8.95 in total. I have been on the lookout for a new beauty box subscription service and Roccabox is one of the ones that keeps cropping up, so I thought I would give their mystery box a go before deciding whether I want to sign up to the actual subscription box from possibly May. Just before we get started in the contents of this mystery box, I just want to go over a few things. The first one is, don't forget that I do still have a giveaway live on my channel. The video containing that will be linked in the description box below and I will try and link it in the cards as well. It is on my video ranking my Colourpop eyeshadow palettes, and the prize for the giveaway is a chance to pick a Colourpop palette of your choice, so be sure to check that out and enter if you haven't already. Also, because I'm terrible at linking it in the description box, I just wanted to mention the makeup on my face. Starting with the eyes, just in case you haven't noticed, I am actually wearing false lashes for the first time in I don't know how long. Because the videos that I need to film today are going to be kind of shorter than ones I normally film, I thought it was the perfect opportunity to have a mess around with a couple of new products to try. The first one is this eyeliner lash adhesive, which I think I might have got in a latest in beauty box. It's from the brand Lash. So this is my first time trying this, and then the lashes I have on are from Battington lashes, and these are ones that I got in, I think it was a FabFitFun subscription box. So far so good. I'm now realising that the kind of type of videos that I'm doing today, which is mainly unboxings, doesn't really call for an all-out glam look, but we're just going to go with it and it's perfect practice. And then on my lips I have this Nars Lip Pencil, and this one is in the shade Do Me Baby. Then on my eyes I'm trying for the first time the BH Cosmetics Chillin in Chicago palette. I do normally switch up my eyeshadow looks between each video, but I don't think that's going to happen today because of the false lashes, so you are probably going to see this exact look for the next few videos, and I'll obviously reiterate again what I'm wearing. But again, so far so good. First impressions of this palette is the formula is excellent, so I'm really excited to delve into this one a bit more. So I thought I was being more organised actually bringing the products over to show you what I'm wearing, but I still won't remember to link them in the description box. But why don't we get into the Roccabox mystery box? That's a bit of a mouthful to say. So this is how the box itself comes, which is I believe the normal packaging of their subscription box. It's really nice pretty pink and I really like the nice simple packaging on it. It did also come in a bag, so it wasn't obvious from the outside what it was. And then it just says on the side here, money can't buy you happiness, but it can buy a Roccabox. So why don't I show you what's inside. I was going to kind of open this live on camera, but then I thought I'm quite intrigued as to how much value is in this box, just with it only being £9. So I have looked and I do know what's in there, and I've gone through and worked out the value of each item. So this box does include 5 items, which I believe is the same as their normal subscription box. And then on the top we just have a card about the normal subscription service, which just says it is £10 a box. I do believe it is £10 plus the £3.95 shipping, which is the same as a lot of subscription boxes out there. So the first product I've received is this one from the brand Dr. Craft. This is the I can never pronounce this word, bakuch oil, I think it is, and rose hip facial oil with organic bakuch oil. So this one says it's a natural retinol alternative, ultra hydrating and softening, wrinkle reducing anti-age formula with apricot, rose hip and grape, and this is 30ml of product, which is a full size. This just says on the side it's for all skin types, it's a rich texture and can be used day and night. Just has a few more details about actual bakuch oil itself and the fact that it comes from natural ingredients. So I'm really intrigued to give this one a go. I do have a couple of products with this ingredient in them, but I haven't yet got round to trying them. I have tried a few retinol products and for me they've been slightly harsher, so I do believe this is a slightly gentler version, so hopefully this will work for me. But I do really like facial oils. I have tried one recently which had a scent of rose hip in it, and I did quite like that because it wasn't rose scented. But really nice packaging inside the box. This is the product itself. Let me see what it smells like. So that does have, it is quite a natural scent, but a slightly fruity scent. It's not overpowering at all, it's not really that strong of a scent. It kind of reminds me of the kind of greens of a fruit, if that makes sense. So like if you get leaves on apples or leaves on strawberries, it's kind of got like that kind of fruity, but like the green bit of a fruit. That probably doesn't make any sense, but that's what my initial instinct was. So it does smell like a really nice product. So this one is looking really promising. So as I said earlier, this appears to be a full-size product, and looking online, the full size of this is actually £42. Bearing in mind that I've only paid £9 for this box, I'm getting sort of 4 or 5 times the value in just this product alone, and I am really excited to give this one a go. The next product in here, I'm definitely not as excited about. This is a eyeliner from the brand Ecru. This is the I Do Liquid Eyeliner Line and Enhance, and this is in the shade Black. I've lost count of the amount of times that I have received this eyeliner in a subscription box, and I think I tried it the first time I received it and I just didn't like it at all. Ecru also do mascaras, and they are actually worse than the eyeliner, but I wasn't a fan of this at all, and I think it's long since been decluttered from my collection. So this is a product that I personally won't be using, but I will just stick it in a basket for a future giveaway. This again is a full-size product though, and the full size of this is £16, which I would never pay for it. The next product we have in here is from the brand Dr. Botanicals. This is the Hemp Infused Natural Moisturizer. Again, Dr. Botanicals is a brand that does feature quite heavily in subscription boxes. This is a product that I do already personally own, but I haven't yet tried it. I don't think I got it from a subscription box. I do think I was sent it for review by Dr. Botanicals. I'm not into all the hemp and CBD type products. I've tried a couple, but they've not really worked for me. So I say I haven't tried this one yet, but I do already have it in my collection to try. But it is a nice product to receive, and again, it is a full-size product and another product that is worth £16. So this is one that I will probably keep to one side for now, because just in case I absolutely fall in love with the other one that I've got, I will then have a backup of it. But if it doesn't work for me, then again, it will just go in the giveaway pot. The next thing in here is from the brand Beauty Pro. This is the Pumpkin Infused Sheet Mask with pumpkin, ivy and bergamot. This says it is brightening and softening with natural fruit enzymes, AHAs, for an anti-aging formula. It is a biodegradable bamboo sheet mask. I think I have tried things from the plant-based range of Beauty Pro before, and I think I quite enjoyed them. And I think I've tried a couple of pumpkin masks, obviously in October, which is probably when this one's from. So I'm really excited to give this one a go and see what it's like, because I do love a good sheet mask. And again, another full-size item, and this one retails for £4.95. So the final item we have in here is a sample, but I can't complain for a £5 mystery box to receive 4 full-size items and a sample. For me, really good value so far. So this is from the brand Ole Henriksen, and this is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. This is just 1.5ml of product, but this is one that I have been genuinely wanting to try. I've tried quite a few things from the brand Ole Henriksen, and I think everything's kind of been in the orange packaging. I am currently using the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I've tried the Truth Serum, and I've also tried the Gel Moisturizer, which I think is from the same line as the Truth Serum. I think this is the same line as the eye cream. I think the eye cream is the Banana Bright, and so far I've really liked what I've tried. So I am excited to give this one a go and see what I think about it. Obviously it's not the world's biggest sample, but hopefully it's enough in there for me to give it a decent try. For this one's claims, it says it firms, hydrates and instantly illuminates with 15% vitamin C, 5% PHAs and hyaluronic acid. That does sound really good, and I'm really excited to give that a go. That is all 5 products that I received in the Roccabox Easter mystery box, and I think that is 100% worth it. The only product in here that I know I'm not going to use is this Ecru eyeliner. Obviously the Dr. Botanicals one, I'm not sure whether I'm going to use it yet or not, but still it is a really nice brand to be included in the box, because there are a couple of products that I do really enjoy from Dr. Botanicals. A sheet mask, you can't go wrong with a sheet mask. I'm really intrigued by this facial oil, and obviously the Ole Henriksen sample I do really want to try it as well. So yeah, this is 100% for me worth the £9 that I spent on it, and I am so glad that I gave it a go, and it does make me feel hopeful that this might be an okay subscription box to give a try. So I think I'm going to sign up from May, because I have seen the products that are available in the April box, and there's a couple of things in there that I don't think I need, so I'd rather try afresh with May and see what they have available then. But I do unfortunately believe that this mystery box was only available over the Easter weekend, and I do think it did sell out, which for the price I'm definitely not surprised by. But I thought I would still share about it in case when they next have a mystery box, it might be something that you are tempted by, because from what I've seen online, they do mystery boxes kind of every few months, and I will be definitely keeping an eye on them again in the future. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.